Hello there, welcome back. In this tutorial we'll see a tutorial about time smoothing in plexus. Many times when you apply a plexus to a random set of points, and when you have the lines on the object, you see this random flashes of lines going off and on. And in this version of plexus you have multiple ways to avoid this kind of flashes with lines. To do that, let me go to lines render object here and select the calculate lines distance from every frame to only one frame. What it does is it calculates the distance between these vertices only one frame. You can choose that frame, any frame you want. For example, here in this case it's calculating the distance at frame 0, and it goes on the distances as they increase. You see these long lines, and you could select this frame and kind of calculates the distance based on this frame, which gets really complex when you have really random points moving in all different ways all the time. So the other option is to change the calculated lines distance to over time interval. What it does is it calculates the distances over the time interval, and it gradually smooths out every frame. When you run preview it, you see that the lines no longer have the flashes, but they're smoothly interpolated between frames. And the same can be applied not just for the lines, but also for triangles and other mesh objects. See, the lines no longer flash or go on and off here because they're being smoothly interpolated over the time. In the same way, when we apply triangles to these points, you see a lot of flashes here, a lot of on and off triangles going on everywhere. To avoid that, like lines, you also have the triangles distance option here. You could set it to only one frame if you want, or you could set it to over time interval. Over time interval produces the smoothest results. You could change the time interval to any interval you want, but usually 1 second works really well. Now if you run preview it, it shows really smooth triangle movement without any flashes. Okay, now as you can see, the triangles no longer show those flashes on and off again behavior, and they're all smoothly interpolated over the time. So hope you guys find this feature useful. Thank you again for watching.